Hello guys, welcome to SkillMiner aptitude course. Today we are going to see the topic allegations and mixers. Allegation and mixers is one of the important topic in quantitative aptitude section. It is this topic is asking in most of the campus placement exam and other government exams. Okay, we can move to the topic. Guys, now I'm explaining the allegation rule with the help of first problem. In the first problem, it is given that a dishonest shopkeeper mixed cheaper quality rice, which is pricing rupees 10 kilogram, 10 per kilogram, with good quality rice, which is having the amount of rupees 25 per kilogram. Guys, there is a shopkeeper. What he is doing now? He is mixing some cheaper quality rice with some good quality rice and selling it with some medium price. Okay, see here, the cost of cheaper quality will be given at top left corner. The cost of good quality rice is given at top right corner. Okay, and he is selling it with for the rupees 15 per kilogram. After mixing these two rice, he is selling it for rupees 15 per kilogram. That is written in the mean price is written in the middle. Okay, the allegation rule will be the cheaper element you need to the cost of cheaper element you need to mention in top left corner. Okay, the cost of cheaper element you need to write in top left corner. The cost of good element will be written at top right corner. Middle will be mean price. Okay, middle one will be mean price. So the difference of 25 minus 15 will give you 10. This is cheap element quantity. Okay, the difference of 15 and 10, that is 15 minus 10 will give you 5. This is dearer, that is good element quantity. This is the allegation rule. Okay, you need to follow this allegation rule. The difference 25 minus 15 will give you the value 10. That will be written in bottom left corner. The difference 15 minus 10 will give you the value 5, which will be written in top right corner. Okay, question they are asking, find the ratio in which he mixes the two quality of rice. The ratio will be 10 is to 5, which is equal to 2 is to 1. This is the required ratio. In the ratio 2 is to 1, he is mixing the two rice. Okay, that is the answer. Second question, 16 liter of mixer contains milk and water in the ratio 5 is to 3. This is the milk, this is the water. The ratio of, there is a vessel. This vessel contains a mixture of milk and water. Okay, consider you are pouring this water and this milk into this vessel. So the total quantity will be 16 liters. In the 16 liters, the ratio of milk and water is 5 is to 3. Okay, So the sum of ratio will be 5 plus 3, which is equal to 8. Now we are going to find the quantity of milk in the vessel. Milk quantity will be, milk ratio is 5 divided by total ratio is 8 into 16, which will give me 10 liter. Water quantity will be 3 divided by 8 into 16, which is equal to 6 liter. So in 16 liter of mixer, 10 liter will be the milk and 6 liter will be the water. Now we can move to the second condition. How much milk should be removed from the mixer? Okay, so that resulting milk water ratio should be 4:3. See, there are 10 liters of milk, there are 6 liters of water. As per the second condition, we need to remove some milk from the mixer. Milk should be removed from the mixer, so that resulting ratio is 4/3. Resulting milk water ratio will be 4/3. Okay, guys, in question it's given that there is 16 liters of milk mixer. In that 16 liter, the milk and water is distributed in the ratio 5:3. So for finding individual values of milk and water, we are doing ratio of milk divided by total ratio into 16, which is giving me 10 liters of milk. 3 divided by 8 into 16 is giving 6 liters of water. Since 3 is the ratio of water, 8 is total ratio, we are obtaining 6 liter. Now as per second condition, the milk should be removed, some amount of milk should be removed from the mixer. Okay, initially there are 10 liters of milk, some milk should be removed, so that the resulting ratio is 4:3. Okay, now I am cross multiplying this. 30 minus 3x is equal to 24. 30 minus 24 is equal to 3x. 6 is equal to 3x, which gives me x is equal to 6/3 is equal to 2 liter. So we are removing 2 liters of milk from the mixer, so that milk water ratio will be 4:3. Okay, after removing 2 liters, milk water ratio will be 8 divided by 6, which is equal to 4 divided by 3, which is the required ratio. So 2 liter will be the answer. A vessel contains mixture of, there is a vessel. A vessel contains mixture of 30 liters of water and 45 liters of syrup. This is the water, this is the syrup. We are mixing syrup and mix water in the vessel. Okay. This vessel is having 30 liters of water and 45 liters of syrup. So water syrup ratio will be 30:45. Okay. If the ratio of water and syrup need to become 5:6, how much syrup should be drawn? Drawn means removed. For water syrup ratio should become 5:6, how much syrup should be drawn? So initially water syrup ratio will be 30 divided by 45. For the ratio to become 5 by 6, how much syrup should be drawn? Okay, now I'm solving this. 180, 45 5s are 225 minus 5x. 5x is equal to 225 minus 180. This is giving me 45. So x will be 45 divided by 5, which is equal to 9. Okay, so to make the water syrup ratio into 5 is to 6, I need to remove 9 liters of syrup from the mixer. Okay, this is the right answer. Guys, initially water syrup ratio is 30 is to 45. Then for water syrup ratio to maintain 5 is to 6, we are removing some syrup, that is 45 minus some amount of syrup x. After equating this, we will arrive at the x value, which is the syrup we removed. 9 liters of syrup we removed. Okay, come to the fourth question. Kashmir apples are selling for rupees 200 per dozen. It will be Kashmir apple. This will be Shimla apple. Kashmir apple are selling for 200 per dozen. Shimla apple are selling for 250 per dozen. Shimla apples 250 per dozen. Mean if the mixing ratio is 3 is to 2. Mixing ratio means this. If this value is 3 is to 2, find the cost of mixed variety. We need to find this cost. Okay. Here the allegation rules comes. Kashmir apple is selling for 200 per dozen. Shimla apple is selling for 250 per dozen. And the mixing ratio is given as 3 is to 2. Okay, mixing ratio will come on bottom. We need to find the mean value. Okay. Now what we are doing, there is a formula for getting mean value. Mean value is equal to, this 200 is there, no? 200 into 3. 200 into 3 plus 250 into 2. 250 into 2 divided by 3 plus 2. That is the 3 and 2 are ratios. It is equal to, this 200 I am taking from top left corner. 3 I am taking from bottom left corner. 250 I am taking from top right corner. 2 I am taking from bottom right corner. This 3 plus 2 is addition of these two ratios. 600 plus 500 divided by 5, which is equal to 1100 divided by 5, which is give me the answer 220. So mean value will be rupees 220 per dozen. This will be the right answer. Okay. For finding the mean value, please follow this formula, guys. Okay. There is a milk, there is a water. In what ratio must water mixed with milk costing rupees 12 per liter to obtain a mixture worth rupees 8 per liter? Okay, now it's given that there is a milk, there is a water. The amount of milk is 12 per liter. There is no amount for water, so it is 0. The rate of mixture, this milk and water get mixed, so that this will become 8 per liter. We need to find the ratio. Okay, we need to find the ratio of milk and water. Guys, once again observe the question. Milk is selling for rupees 12. Water has no amount. After mixing these two, he is selling the resulting mixture for rupees 8 per liter. From this we need to find m and w value. Okay, we know that mean is equal to 12 into m plus 0 into w divided by m plus w. Okay, we know that mean value is 8. 8 is equal to 12m divided by m plus w. Cross multiplying, 8m plus 8w is equal to 12m. So 8w is equal to 12m minus 8m, which is equal to 4m. 8 by 4w is equal to m, which means m is equal to 2w. Here m is equal to 2w. Milk is equal to 2 of water. So milk, I'm taking this water into denominator. Milk divided by water is equal to 2, which implies ratio of milk and water as 2 by 1, which implies m is to w as 2 is to 1. Okay, in question they are asking what ratio must water mixed with milk. In question it's asking water is to milk ratio. Water milk ratio will be 1 is to 2. So this will be our answer. Okay, guys, as per the given formula, I'm using mean formula. From mean formula I am getting m is equal to 2w, that is milk is equal to 2 into water. So milk by water is 2 by 1. So m milk is to water ratio will be 2 is to 1. In question it's asking water to milk ratio, that will be 1 is to 2. Okay, I'm moving to next question. On a certain assembly line, the rejection rate was 4% for high 10 and 8% for high 20 series. Okay, there is a high 10 series, there is a high 20 series. The rejection rate was 4% for high 10 series and 8% for high 20 series. The combined rejection rate was 7% for two cars. Combined rejection rate is 7% for two cars. What was the ratio of Hyundai i20 and i10 rejection rate? Okay, let it be x or let it be y. So as per allegation rule, the value of x will be 8 minus 7, which is equal to 1. 8 minus 7, which is equal to 1. As per allegation rule, the value of y will be 7 minus 4, which is equal to 3. So high 10 to high 20 ratio will be 1:3. In question, they are asking ratio of I-20 and I-10 series. Okay, then the ratio of Hyundai I-20 to Hyundai I-10 series will be 3:1. Okay, this will be our answer. 3:1 ratio will be our answer. Substitute the given data in the allegation sort so that easily you can get the ratios of x and y. Okay, coming to the last question. A merchant has 1000 kg of sugar which he sells at 8% profit and rest at 18% profit. Some part of sugar he is selling at 8% profit and some part of sugar he is selling at 18% profit. Okay, he gains 14% on the whole. He is gaining 14% on the whole. Okay, the quantity of sugar sold at 18% profit. We need to find the quantity of sugar sold at 18% profit. Let the whole quantity be 1000 kg. Okay, which means this whole quantity is 1000 kg which is selling that 14% profit. Now as per allegation rule we can find the difference. 18 minus 14 which is equal to 4. 14 minus 8 which is equal to 6. Okay, now we had found the ratio. Let the first quantity be A and second quantity be B. A by B is equal to 4 by 6 which is equal to 2 by 3. Okay, now we have found the ratio as 2 and 3. This is the ratio we obtained. Okay, the combined ratio will be 2 plus 3 which is equal to 5. So 5 of x will gives 1000 kg. So x value will be 1000 divided by 5 which is equal to 200 gram. Okay, now I have found the x value which is 200 gram. In question what they are asking, the quantity of sugar sold at 18% profit. That is they are asking B quantity. We know that B is equal to 3 of x which is equal to 3 into 200 gram which is giving me the value 600 gram. So 600 grams of sugar he is selling at 18% profit. Okay, so the remaining 400 gram he will be going to sell for 8% profit. Okay, thank you guys.